Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function to print the even numbers from a given list. So given a list of numbers as input to the Python program, so you have to print the even numbers that are present in the list. So let's try to solve this using the Python function. So let me define a function that is get underscore even. So this is my function and I'll be passing the input list, that is list of numbers. So I'll be taking the list one as the list item and so let's use pass for now. So I'll be writing the code for this later. So in the main program, so let's ask a user to enter the list numbers, that is the list containing the integers. So let me take a length variable and use the input function call to ask a user to enter list length. Yeah, so once the user enters the list length, so it will be of string type. So let's convert it into an integer using the type conversion. And I'll be using the int type conversion. And now let's take another variable, that is my underscore list, and initialize it to an empty list. So this is my empty list. So we'll be filling this list by asking a user to enter the numbers. So let's use a for loop for underscore in range of list length. So I'll be iterating from 0 to the list length and asking a user to enter the list item, that is a number. So let's take a temp variable and use the input function call to ask a user to enter an integer. Yeah, so once the user enters the integer, so let's convert it into an int type and append it to the list, that is my list. So let's take my underscore list and dot append. So this is a built-in function and I'll be passing a temp as input argument. Yeah, so once we are done with that is accepting a list containing numbers from the user, so let's directly call the function. And so we have to store the variable somewhere. So let's use a result, and this is my output list that contains the even numbers. So let's call the function, that is get underscore even, and let's pass the variable, that is input argument, that is my underscore list. And now inside the Python function, so let's try to solve this. So here what you do is just use a string comprehension method, that is list comprehension method. So let's use a direct return statement and let's use a list comprehension, that is I'll be returning the list containing the even numbers. So let's use a x, that is a temp variable for x in list 1. So what you do is just take the if statement and check if x mod 2 is equals to 0. So we are iterating all the items present in the list and checking if the item, that is the number, is divisible by 2, and if so, that is an even number. So let's add it to the result, that is a return value. Yeah, so once we get the result, so let's use a print statement, and here list containing even numbers is, yeah, so this is a list containing even numbers, and let's print the result directly. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the Python function to print the even numbers from a given list. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the list length. So I have 4 items. Let's give 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see list containing even numbers is 2 and 4. So you can see 1 and 3 has been removed from the result string. Let me re-execute it. And again I have 5, and let's say 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's give 100. So you can see the list containing even numbers is 6, 8, and 100. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the Python function to print the even numbers present in the given list. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.